Hey guys, welcome back to our CapCut tutorial part 2. Today, I am going to teach you how your boring steady dance video to become a more interesting dance video. So, stay tuned. To start, prepare your dance video that has a wide angle shot and the frame has enough space so that you can zoom in and edit your footage later, like my example. Now, open your CapCut and export your video by tapping the new project. Make sure that you have saved the original video of the dance challenge because you will need the music. Go to Audio, Extracted, and select the TikTok video that you have saved and it will be automatically extracted. So synchronize your video to the original music. Make sure to mute your video music so that only one music is playing. Once it is synchronized, let's move on to the editing of moving video part. First, zoom in your video to the size that you can still see the full body and place it in the center. Then go to the text, type O, place it in the middle of your face because the face will be our main point, and this will be your guide for the whole editing process. And then, drag the timeline until the end of the video. Next, click your main video and select keyframe. Make sure that you are in the start of the video. Then, drag your video frame by frame. Once your head move in different position, adjust your head to main point, which is the letter O, by dragging it. Continue doing it until the end of the video. Once you're done with the keyframes, you can now delete the letter O. Then select Filter and select the filter depending on your liking. For me, I always select the food and tasty filter. And drag it until the end of the video. You can also do the basic adjustment of your video in the adjust section, but it's up to you. Once you're done, select your frame rate setting by clicking the 1080 drop-down and drag your frame rate to 60, and then click the arrow sign to export. And it will automatically save to your phone gallery. Now, this is how our boring video becomes an interesting video. If you want more of this CapCut video editing tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget the notification bell so that you'll be notified if there's a new video. Thanks for watching and see you on my next one.